Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have done previously is,
A script for the ball.
yeah, we have created a script for the ball, and
Yeah.
we have created the script of that ball. And what is happening
Yeah.
right now? We have created a variable of ball spawn, which will save the start position of the ball. Okay, and then
Yeah.
the game will start, and it will save the position of the ball, transform dot position. Okay, and whenever
Yeah.
it will enter into reset ball object, it will reposition the ball. Okay,
Yeah. So go back to the same position. Yeah.
yeah, that's it. So let's do it. Okay,
Today we're going to do the managing, right?
yeah, we will create a game manager, and we will hit the cans from ball. Okay, by the mouse
Okay.
we will swipe the ball to the cans, and it will go there. Okay, today we will do that. So we have created a plane, and we have resized it. The scale of the plane is 150 by 150. We can make y to 1, because plane is 2D object, and the z is 150. Okay, it's have only height and weight actually, so x and z only. There is no height of a plane. Okay, so now we have to make this plane little inside, like over here, and
Yeah.
we have to give a box collider, and it should be triggered, and we have to give a tag, because we have make a reset ball tag.
Reset for
Okay,
the ball. Yeah.
yeah. So now what we will do, we will select the plane, and we can rename it to reset ball, and we have to add a new tag like this. Okay, reset ball, and we hit the save button. Now again select the reset ball object, and you can select the tag over here. That's it. So now
Yeah.
the reset ball, and we can turn off the mesh renderer like this. It's only a view, we don't need to see this. Okay,
Yeah.
and let's see, the box collider is there, but why we cannot see this? Yeah, it is there. You can see the points, this green point, is there. Okay, so the box collider is working. Okay, so now we have to call the function, this function. So this is simple. We can copy the function name and paste over here and add the terminator. So whenever ball collided with the reset ball object, it will call this function. Okay, and after that what will happen, it will turn off the ball object, and it will go back to the previous position, and then animator will turn on. Okay, animation will turn on, and then game object will be turned on. Okay, what's next I think we should need to do is okay, let's see what is happening right now. Okay,
Okay.
so the ball is there, and we have already added the ball script. Okay,
Script. Yeah.
yeah, we have already added it. So now we have to reset ball. We can remove this mesh renderer. We don't need to see this object. Okay,
Yeah.
mesh renderer. Let's play the game. And now whenever,
Now I'm thinking, what if it's too far away? What if the ball can't hit?
yeah,
Now I'm
right,
thinking, I'm freaking out.
no, right now ball is not going to hit the cans, but I just created, whenever the ball go down there, it will come back like
go back
this.
up. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So we have to turn off the
But what
animator.
if we wanted like, but what if we wanna like, you have 3 chances for the ball and then game over. You
Yeah,
lose
yeah.
this level.
Actually, right now we are creating the mechanics only. First, when the
Yeah.
mechanics is done, we will
Yeah.
do that. We will do that. How many ball are there? So it will be easy to do when the mechanics
Yeah.
is created.
It's working.
Yeah, it is working.
It's,
So what we need to do, we cannot change the position of the ball right now because the animator is on. Okay, and
yeah.
animator we can see that the animator last position is 0 1 0.
Can you,
Yes.
sir? Can you zoom in more because I don't know why the screen is that you're showing me smaller. I don't know why.
Which one? This one or
That I'm sending it to on WhatsApp. I don't know if it's from me or you because suddenly like this. Before I can see it as if it's my own computer.
oh, so this is from your side. I think you have to
Okay.
click
Yeah.
on. Okay, Zoom recording.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay,
Thank you.
it is fine now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I was telling you that uh, whenever the animator is on, we cannot move the ball because this component freezes the object of the ball because the last value is this and the position will not change from 0 1 0. It freezes this. So whenever we turn off this component, then we can move the ball. If we turn on the animator, it will do the animation and freezes the object and we cannot move the ball. So we have to turn off the animator. Okay, and then we can move the ball. So for that, what we need to do whenever the ball is started. So, okay, we have to make a function. We can call it void anim off. Okay, anim off, animation off. That's me. And we can call it get component. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Animator, and then we have to enable is equals to false. That's it. And we have to call it like this invoke and the name.
So this one will enable the animator, right?
It will turn off the animator
We'll
actually.
switch it off. Yeah. We'll turn it
Yeah,
off. Yeah.
yeah, it will turn off the animator whenever the game is start. Okay, whenever the ball object start, it will save the ball position. Okay, starting position is fine actually, that's fine. Position, and then turn it will turn off the animator ball after 1 second. This is the value, 1 second, 2 second. Okay, so 1 second is fine, I think. And let's see how it's work now. Okay, and what you need to do is to turn on the animator from the start. Okay, keep turn on the animator now, and I think after 1 second it will turn off automatically because of this we have called this script. Okay, so let's see. Yes, so now we can also move the ball, and whenever ball go over there it will come. And
Come back up. Yeah.
yeah, but the animator is not turned off. Okay, because
Yeah.
the game object is turn off and turn on. Okay, so for that what we have to do, on enable we have to call another method on enable like this, and we can just copy this method and call it over here. And also we have to call it from the start, from the both side. Okay, from the both, whenever script is turned off and turn on, it will call. Okay, so this is easy. Let's see, let's check it now if it is working or not.
Okay.
The ball is here and it is turned off, and when the ball goes over here, it will come back and turn off the animator once again, because we have added into on enable script, and now we can move the ball. Okay,
Yeah.
so now the ball is working fine. Okay, because we can and we can count the balls actually. Whenever ball collided with the resetter, okay, whenever ball collided with the resetter, we can count that.
What? Can you repeat? Sorry, the voice is not clear. What?
Now we have to count how many balls we have dropped over here. Okay, we can count, we can count
Yes.
that. Yes, the thing you are
How
you
many
was,
balls
yeah,
dropped?
yeah, how many balls are dropped, so we can count from there. Okay,
Okay.
so for that what we have to do, we have to make a game manager. First of all, we can make a game manager, and we have to add a component, a game manager, a new script. Okay, so yes, it is adding a new script. It will take a little time. And just put this game manager script under the script folder. So now we have two scripts, ball script and game manager script. And now let's open the game manager script. Okay. And for that, what we have, what we need, we are going to make a,
You're gonna
a game object ball, a ball of the object of the ball, because we need to push the ball. Public game object ball, and we need the float value. Okay, for we are in the game manager, and the ball uh, stuff, these are the ball stuff, like shooting variables. Okay, this is the ball, and public float, uh, we can call the speed of the ball is ball force. What is the speed of the ball whenever we throw the ball? And we need a public transform ball target, where we need to hit the ball. Okay, and once again, as you said that we need a ball, how many balls we need to,
three.
yeah, total balls, we can make a variable and then we can assign it how many balls. And we have to make a bool for ready to shoot. If we, because during the animation time we cannot shoot. Once the animation of the ball is completed, then we can uh, shoot the ball. So we have to make a bool. If the bool is true, then we can hit the we can shoot the ball. And yes, we have to make a plan, um, uh, public, not that public, it will be a plane like that, and it will be new plane vector, new plan, and vector. It will be a forward vector 3 dot forward, and yeah, the value will be 0. Okay, that's it. These are the variables. Okay, these are the ball variables. That's it. This will be the total balls, how many balls we have in the first level. So we can change the value. If the current level is 1, we can also add over here public int current level like this. If the current level is 1, then we can assign 3 balls or 5 balls. Okay, so now we have done with the variables. Okay, and now we have to do the update part. Okay, so for that what we need is first of all we have to see if because we are doing it with the event system. Do you know what is the event system?
No.
Okay, event systems are the things whenever we click on the game screen, so that is called event. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
when we click on the screen, it is called event. Okay, event system
Yeah.
dot. Okay, so we have to write event system. So I think we have to add this event system. Okay, so press alter enter, and we have to add using unity intern dot event system. So it will add automatically a library on the header of the class. Okay, so what we have to do, event system dot current position is pointer our game object, and we have to return the value. So it will go back. Okay, so at the top of the update function we have to do this. Okay, and then what we have to do, we have to get the mouse position. For that we have to do something like vector 3 mouse pose, and for that we can make a camera dot main dot screen to world point, screen to world point, where it is, yes, over here. And it has so many values under that, so we have to make a new vector 3, and we can write input dot mouse position x dot x, input dot mouse position y, and the final position is 5. Yes, so after that, if we have to make a if statement, if the ready to shoot is true. Okay, if input dot get mouse button and ready to shoot. So whenever we click on the screen, it is an input. Whenever we click on the screen, it is called input, and we have done the mouse position from the camera, and we have created something that that we got the value of the screen. Okay.
So the from the camera, you know the mouse position, right?
Yeah, the camera
Mhm.
understand the camera make it the x position, y position, and the z position, and we have got the ready to shoot bull. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to make the ball or transform dot position. Okay, we have a ball dot transform dot position is equals to new vector 3, new vector 3, mouse x value, mouse pose dot x value, and ball dot transform dot position, ball dot transform dot position. We have to change the position of the ball dot y, because we have to send the ball to the mouse position. Okay,
Ah,
and ball dot transform dot z, ball dot transform dot z. So that's it. Okay.
okay. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Did you say something?
No, no.
Okay.
So why it is sending the errors? I have to see. Okay. It is capital actually. B.
Capital B. Capital B.
Yes. So why it is showing the error over here? It is new vector 3 mouse pose dot x ball dot transform. Okay. We have to add the position dot z. This is the way. We have to add the position, and then we have to set the direction. For that we have to make a new vector 3 dir, and equals to ball target dot position minus ball transform dot position. Okay, and once again we have to copy this uh, value, and once again we have to check if the red to shoot we can shoot the ball. Here we are shooting the ball, shoot the ball. Okay, so we have to add the rigid body. We already have a rigid body in our ball, and for that what now what we can do is we have to call the ball dot get component and the rigid body. Okay, by using rigid body, because rigid body is a gravity and physics. If you remember, rigid body is the physics of any object. So we have to add force. Okay, this method,
Okay.
and under that we have to add the direction, and we have to multiply with the ball force. Okay, so force mod dot impulse. Yeah, this one is will be, this is the predefined method actually. And what we have done, we got the direction from here. Ball or target position. This will be the target position where we have to hit, and this is the current position of the ball. So when we minus ball position from target position, it will make a direction, and we have to make the direction with the force, ball force. So this is how we can hit the ball, and we have to make the false with the ready to shoot ball. We have to make it false, and we can make a shoot it ball plus plus. We have not.
Should the ball what?
Shoot it ball will be the value, integer value. We have to add over here public and shoot it ball. How many balls we have shooted, it will count. Okay,
Okay.
so it will plus plus the value, and we can reduce the total balls. Total balls minus minus will decrease one value. Okay, so now we have to make a ray target. Okay, so for that we have to do we have to make a distance, a float dist, and array camera dot main dot screen to point array, and input dot mouse position, input dot mouse position. Yes, that's it. And if name dot recast, so what will happen? Vector 3 dot point equals to array dot get point dist, and the ball target dot position equals to new vector 3 point x point y and 0. I think that's it. Okay, and also we can make a statement if we have total balls, how many balls we have, but let's see how it's work. Okay, we have done so much code over here, and now we have to assign the values. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's look hard, but it is very, very good. Okay, so we have assigned the ball object. Okay, this is the main ball we have assigned to the
Yeah.
game manager. Okay, and the ball force, it would be like 300, and the ball target. Okay, it is asking for the ball target. So the ball target is
Is
this, I
the
think. Yes.
cylinder, yeah.
Yeah, this can's parent or the
The
ball
can,
target. Yeah,
yeah.
so we have to create empty object, and we can make like this over here, and we can call it a ball target. Okay, and now we can assign it to over here. Total balls we can say it like 5, and current level is not defined, but because we have not so many levels right now. And
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do is, in the game manager, we can create a static variable, public game manager. Okay, we can public static, we have to make static, public static game manager, and we can call it instance. And why we make instance? Because we have to use these values from the other script. Okay, from the other script. And now what we will do, we will just write simply game manager dot instance dot ready to shoot, and we will make it true. uh, yes, that's it. So whenever the animation is done after one, no, no, not over here, we have to animation of under the method of glance over here. We have to do this. Whenever the ball animation is completed after 1 second, it will turn on the ball. Now the ball is ready to shoot. Okay, it will make it true. So now let's see. Right now, the ready to shoot ball is off. Okay, so let's hit the play button. Now you can see the ready to shoot button is turned on, and when we shoot, it's go like this.
Yeah.
But
Amazing.
yeah, but the ball is not instantiated because I think the ball,
Didn't come back. Have a, okay, yeah, just reach.
yeah. So for that, what we need to do, whenever it hit with the, okay. So let's play again and see what is happening. When we shoot, let's go over there. Okay. Yes, so okay. Whenever what is happening right now, animation is turned off after 1 second. Let's debug it. What is happening? So we can create so many mesh renders like this. So for that we can uh, trace the ball.
What's that?
Yeah, this is the ball resetter actually. Ball resetter.
Yeah.
We can make it minus 90. Okay, 90 and 90. Yeah.
Not exactly in between. Okay. Need to zoom in to check more. On the right.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So now the thing is we have done ball shooting method. Okay, and
Yeah.
let's see what is happening right now. We have to debug the thing whenever the ball is coming over here and we have to shoot. We cannot shoot it. Yes, now we have shoot it. We have
Yeah.
shooted all the games.
Bullseye.
Yeah, again the ball is here, but okay.
It doesn't stop, it just falls.
Yeah, it doesn't stop because yeah, I have to see this why it's not stop, because I think maybe it is because of the value. I have to increase the value from 1 second to 2 second. So let's see if it is work or not. I think we have to increase the ball mass to 100. 50 is fine. And
Okay.
one more, okay, one more mesh collider we have to add on the ceiling point over here.
Okay, so it's like surrounded.
Yeah, it will be surrounded. So let's see it will come back or not. Okay, okay. It is due to the, I think the ready, we have to turn off the ready to shoot. Yes. When we hit the ball, we have to turn off. It is turned off. Okay, we will debug it later. And I think we have done the shooting part of the game. And in our next
Yeah.
lecture, we will debug this out. Okay. I will see and we will debug this issue,
Okay.
why the ball is not stopping on the position. And in the next lecture, we will uh, do the total balls in the level, how many balls we have, and the current level and the shooted ball. We will count that. Okay. So that's all from today's lecture. And inshallah, hopefully on Thursday, we will have the
Thank you
second
for your
lecture.
time.
Yes. Okay.
No, wait, no. Maybe Friday. Is it okay Friday?
Yes, Friday. Friday is fine.
Okay, thank you.